I'm absolutely certain that everybody likes to swim come the summertime.
That's it! Have a great summer! See ya!
Woo! I can't believe it's the last day of school.
I'm having a pool party at my house if any of you guys want to come.
What time?
Whenever you want.
I'll
See
bring
you then.
snacks. Alright.
We manufacture steel frame panels and framework for pools, spas, and other outdoor equipment needs for relaxation.
The good thing about Cardinal, it's family owned and operated, so I know they're going to be around for a long time.
I started out in a very different field and then transitioned into manufacturing. Started welding, started building things, and kind of seeing that what we did daily went to people, and then you're out on the street and you see something that you built.
The cool part about Cardinal is that there's lots of room for opportunity and growth in this place. I started in design and ended up in sales, and now I'm in R&D right now.
We have plastic that comes in a form of a pellet or a powder. We turn it into something completely different shape, size, something useful, something functional. It's that creation part.
Different areas you can get involved in with manufacturing. We have CAD, we have programming, a lot of floor positions and operating equipment and robotics.
We do any shapes, designs. We actually did a Mickey Mouse shaped pool, and we've done a variety of them, which is pretty neat.
My favorite thing about the job is making sure everyone gets home in the same condition that they come to work in. So my favorite part is, walking around the facility, just seeing the different parts of manufacturing. There's a lot of different job operations that they're doing.
There's something new to do every day. I'm not constantly doing the same thing repetitiously. You get to see what you're making hands-on.
Thank you to the best virtual tour guides.
If you're passionate about a topic or a subject, you will never work a day in your life if you enjoy your job.